Thank you for the presentation. My name is Joao from IT sector. I'm co-owner of IT sector and as well of ebankIT that we are presented today. This is my colleague Victor, head of R&D for multi-channel solutions. So we're presenting here two new solutions that we're launching. One of them is called Commercial GPS. And why we name it Commercial GPS? First, because it finds customers for corporate banking. Second, it is a mobile solution. What does that mean? It means your branch managers, instead of sitting inside the branch in the bank, they can go outside and talk to your customers. And third, we've integrated with social media. What does that mean? It means that you can know what your customers are saying and you can address them and approach them with them. The solution we're going to present in the end, we name it FaceBankIT. And Facebook has just been 10 years last week, and we're presenting our own banking solution integrated with on Facebook. So passing to the feed now. So this is the tool that the commercial people from the bank on the corporate side have to work. This is their office. They're going to be all happy because they're going to have a brand new tablet that looks very new, very nice, and they can just work with this tool. So when they log in, they can look at the social part of all their customers. They can see what their customers are saying. They can look at their schedule and arrange their meetings and see how it's going. Also, they've got their numbers. So in terms of numbers, we've got a special algorithm that generates potential leads for the customers. So when they start planning their quarter, they know straight away how they can get to their numbers. We already feed them with potential leads that if they follow up and if they become successful, they reach their targets and then everyone is happy. Also, there's information how to search about their customers, and they can get information about the latest products that the bank is selling, and they get information they can easily sell to them. Looking, for example, at one of the customers today, so we've got a view about the customer. We can see their contacts. We can see what they've been posting on this case, Facebook. And for example, this company just announced that they had a profit of 1 million euros. So it's quite good because I'm meeting them at 3 o'clock today, so I'm just leaving Finovate and go and have a word with them. What opportunities am I going to sell to them? So I can prepare my meeting and know exactly what is going to be the talk, what we're going to talk and discuss about on these meetings. As well, I've got the data, the financial data from the company stored in our system, and also all the interactions we've done within the bank and the way the wallet have and things like that. So the bank has provided me this cool application that generates leads to find customers. And also, it tells me how to go to there. So it's a great app. I can just look at the map, know exactly how to go there, and I go very easily to that. So going to the meeting now, when I'm in front of my customer, I'm in front having a meeting with them and discussing opportunities. I can look as well for the social media of it. I think we have a slightly problem, but we'll keep going. So in terms of meeting, I can see what my contacts are saying. I can look at Facebook and know, for example, that Nancy I'm going to talk is going to the Bahamas. So it's a good conversation theme. I can see that Paul has just been promoted and got a new motorbike. So I've got plenty of information to talk and discuss with him on the personal side and to engage with him. Looking at the financial opportunities, this is my desk. I can do everything with this simple application. So I'm discussing with the customer the opportunities, and I can qualify them straight away. So straight away, I've done my job, I've done the opportunities, it goes into my numbers, and the hierarchy of the bank knows exactly what's happening in terms of the commercial activity. So this is, very briefly, the commercial GPS, the first application that we want to show you, and integrates a way of finding leads, pointing to how to get there, and integrates with social media. So I take my hat as branch manager, I go back home, and I go to Facebook. And while I'm in Facebook, my bank just provided me with this new app, which is a great app that shows banking integrated within Facebook. It's very simple to use, it's very intuitive to use, and it's got lots of functionalities that I can use with my friends. So I can go and look at my account details, for example. And I can just see my balance, my statements I would do in another channel, but this one it's easier because it's just within Facebook. And they provide me as well with some new cool features in terms of social applications. So for example, I can do a split and share, which is basically quite handy for the next birthday present because as a group we are all going to pay towards that. I can use something as request money, pay a friend, crowdfunding, make money, this one sounds quite good, and take action. So, for example, I can show you a bit of the screen of split and share. And this idea is basically we buying a new birthday gift for Joanna. We've got 12 friends. We know which ones ought to contribute, and each one just contributes easily from their Facebank application. And now I'm going to pay Victor yesterday's dinner. Unfortunately, yeah. So we went to this nice restaurant in London, and I am paying him. So he's my friend on Facebook. I just select him. How much was it? £5. Anyway, he took me to this nice restaurant, and the wine was great. So it's a bit more. So this is what we wanted to present to you: how easy it is to use, and how simple it is to go on Facebook and use these applications. So with this, I would like to summarize this presentation. And we've just presented you one commercial application for corporate banking we named Commercial GPS. It's based on Microsoft CRM, and we presented on a Microsoft Surface application. It's very easy to use and controls all the commercial activity of your company. The other solution is a new channel for banks integrated with Facebook. We name it FaceBankIT. So come and see us at our booth. We'll be delighted to show you much more what is behind these applications and how do they work. As well, we are just opening a branch in London, level 39, so please pop in. If not to see us, to see the view. It's got a great view over London, so it's quite nice to see it. And finally, what is being popping up lots of attraction today is these glasses. These are Google glasses. Everyone wants to take a picture and see of them. We've got a little demo of a banking application there, so come to your booth. We'll show you how it works, and you can take nice pictures to go with you. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.